What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I got a real cool video that's going to show you a couple ways to improve your Windows 10 computer's speed, reliability, and just overall, you're going to need to do this stuff, and it just makes it real simple and real easy. Now this video is going to be about updating your drivers and your software. So there's going to be two different programs that we're going to use for this, and stick around to the end of the video so you don't miss a thing, and you'll be able to know exactly how to do this step by step yourself without having to have anybody else help you. Let's get right into it. First things first though, guys, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel if this video helps you out. Turn on them post notifications if you want to be notified every time I come out with a brand new video, and smash that like button for the channel. We just broke 10,000 subscribers. Alright guys, so the two programs that I'm talking about, let me just open them up. One's called Driver Booster 7 and the other one's called IOBit Software Updater. Okay, now if you try to open up, or if you try to download or open up one of these and they don't work, you can see what it says right here. It will exit if you are not running it as an administrator. So please run it as an administrator. You can update the driver successfully. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is right click on it. It's going to bring you to this screen here, and you're just going to type in your PIN or your password for your account, your administrator account. If you're already on an administrator account, I really suggest that you make another account that you can have that's not an administrator. Whichever account that you use most, have that not be an administrator account, because if you're using one for all your daily, checking your bank accounts, logging into all your accounts, if someone hacks you and they hack into your administrator account, they have a lot more freedom to do whatever they want. But if they just hack a regular user account for your Windows, then they're not going to be able to do even close to as much stuff. So just make sure to do that, guys. Okay, now this is going to be updating our drivers. Now drivers are basically different parts of your computer that can be updated. Like, say you have different devices, they have different drivers, and they just got to be updated, just kind of like software and apps and stuff. They just have to be updated here and there. But for this is a free version, okay? I'm on a free version. They do also have a paid version, but you definitely don't need it. And they're going to try and trick you sometimes by having pop-ups say, oh, you need to take care of this. And if the solution to taking care of a problem is upgrading, just cancel it. You don't have to do it. That's how they get people. They make it seem like they're at more risk if they don't pay. They do this with antivirus software a lot too. But besides that, let's just get into how to use it. So first thing you want to do is just scan your computer. It does a quick scan, and it looks for all the drivers that you might need to update. Now, this is what I'm talking about. It'll say more updates found, your current device status, and it'll be like in yellow or red. But it's saying 11 devices and drivers can be updated with the Pro Edition, and it says upgrade now. You don't have to do that. You just click X out of that. You don't have to do none of that. And they got some, and it pops up a couple of times, as you can see here. But for now, we'll look at it. You see we got drivers for our batteries, for our Bluetooth, our disk drives, display, firmware, all types of stuff. There's a ton of drivers on your computers. And a lot of stuff that you don't even pay attention to, right? But as you can see, I just did an update, so I'm not having to do anymore. But you would see, if you do have stuff that needs to be updated, you would see it right here. It wouldn't say, hooray, Driver Booster Free has updated them. It would have a couple other ones. And all you would do, it would say update right here. You just click update. Let that one update, then you just update the next one, and so on and so forth. Or you can just click update all. And that's the Driver Booster 7.4, guys. It's real easy, real simple. Just remember what I said about the pop-ups and you'll be fine. Now let's just X out of this. And we're going to go to iObit software uploader. And I think that both of these are made by the same company. I'm not positive, but I'm pretty sure that these two are kind of the same. And if you guys know ones that are better, put it in the comments below. Let all the people know. I like when people comment down below and help out other subscribers and other viewers and stuff. Really helps out the channel. But same thing here. We're going to want to right click, run as administrator. Type in your PIN or password and it will open up as an administrator. Okay, as you can see here, now this is scanning for software. It's got the same thing. It's going to want you to upgrade. You know, you don't have to do that. And it'll say, see, these three are outdated. So if I want, I could come right here and just click update. And it's updating Driver Booster right now. Once it updates, it just installs. And that's it. That's all you got to do. And then you can come down here and look at all the other ones that are up to date already. You don't have to update everything. Just if your computer's running slow or certain programs running real slow, just go ahead, try this. It might be the solution. It might not be. But that's when you want to check out some other videos about how to speed up your computer, make it faster, and everything. So be sure to check back about that. Okay, now that we got that done, you can see here it says successfully updated. You just want to click OK. And you'll see right here at the bottom, it says 1,016 items found. Or 1,216 items found. And if you click install, and it's just going through and installing all the stuff that you're going to need. Now this is advanced system care. This is, you can also do a scan and do it exactly the same type of steps as we did for iObit software and Driver Booster. This one's advanced system care. It's just scanning for junk files, temp files, all types of stuff, and it's just going to clean it out. I don't really recommend this one as much as BleachBit, which I'm going to make a whole nother video about this. If you're wondering about BleachBit, it's basically a more in-depth cleaner. You can get rid of all your temp files. But you got to be careful in that one because it definitely can be confusing, and you can possibly mess up your computer by deleting stuff that you need. So this one I really recommend having someone that knows what they're doing if you're going to use BleachBit, or do your due diligence, look what it's all about, read up on it, Google it, YouTube it, and you'll be fine using that one. But as you can see here, it's scanning all these different things, and they're just going to keep pushing to get the Pro Edition, and it's going to have Activate Now all over the place. So like I said, don't worry about that. You really don't need it. These free versions do pretty much everything you need. So if I were you, I wouldn't worry about it. Okay, you can see here the summary of what it did. You can click Fix, and it's just running through, getting rid of all your junk files that you don't need. You know, just making more room on your storage. Honestly, I should have checked my storage and showed you guys what I was at before I did this and after. But I think it said 1.5 or 1.7 gigabytes worth of junk files, just junk files alone. So it's opening up a lot of space. Even though a gigabyte, 2 gigabytes or 1 gigabyte really isn't that much in the grand scheme of things, it still adds up. If you just keep getting more temp files and more junk files adding up on your computer over a long period of time, it can be like 20, 30 gigabytes of junk files, right? So you just want to clear out the system here and there. Okay, now as we can see, 1.9 gigabyte disk space freed up. So it's almost 2 gigabytes of disk space. So we're good there. Now here it's telling you they can get rid of some more stuff if you go to the Pro version. Don't even worry about it, like I said, and we're good to go. You can X out of this one, X out of the other one, and that about does it, guys. So we got our iObit software, looks like this here. We got our Driver Booster 7 and Advanced System Care. They're all next to each other right here. Write it down, take a note if you want. I'll try to leave some links in the description. All you gotta do is Google it. Google download, Driver Booster download. IOBit software download, and it'll take you right there. But all in all, I think that about does it for this video today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to put them in the comment section below. Also, look in the description. We're going to have affiliate links. I also got a link for IP Vanish, which is right here. It's a VPN. I'm not going to get too much into that right now, but it basically protects your IP address and no one can figure it out. Companies can't phish your data and sell it, so that's good. And there's all types of other benefits, so check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll catch you in the next one.